So we're all packed and ready to go. So like as we said in the last vlog, we're about to head to our accommodations right now. Hopefully we don't get lost. We should be probably about like 30 minutes away. So you know, whenever we get there, we'll definitely fill you guys in on that. Alright. Guys, the price I guess here is like 140 something for 90, and in Kingston I can get it cheapest, probably 110. Full on the tank.
Definitely.
So guys, we pretty much just got to our accommodations for the moment. So we're driving in. Just got met by Mr. Brown. You know how we do.
View. So pretty. Every time I talk. This is so pretty.
Hello, sir. I'm doing fine.
Talking to the owner at the moment.
Oh yeah. Better than we expected. Reminded us tomorrow. Yeah, definitely. I think we want to go to Irish River as well. I think Irish River is close there. Okay, cool. That'll be good. And the name is Joakim. Okay, thank you, Mr. Joe. Yeah, we haven't gone in as yet. We just hold on.
Where is that? I hear like school down there. Is that same primary school? Like
doing business. He's doing business.
Alright, no problem. Thank you. Alright, thank you.
We're going back into the town.
Alright.
LT. Little Turbo. Well, not Little Turbo. Lily Turbo. Her dog. She passed away, so the car is in memory of her. Did us justice. This is a beautiful property.
Alright guys, we got some of our bags. We're about to check the place out, see what it's like, and I'll show you around. So as you guys can see, we're finally inside. We're right now in the living room, which is really nice. You know, very nice and comfortable. Let me show you my room, my secret room. This is my room. It's nice. Lights, stuff like that, and a great view. Like my mom and my sister tried to steal my view, but that could not happen, right? Because I think the other room has like 2 beds and this one has a single bed. The bathroom is pretty nice. Pretty basic but nice, of course. And you have your shower, and they even leave you a nice little towel too, which is good. Shower and everything, that's great. But I think the best part about here is the view. We are overlooking, I think it's Sandals Golf Club, which I love, which I really love. And of course, guys, we got a pool. We got a pool. Really good. Some place we can sit and eat. I don't think we'll be doing much of that. Let's take it down to the pool. Look at that view, guys. Look at that view. It's awesome. It's really good. I'm really happy. What I'm gonna do now, probably try to show you somewhere else. Maybe I didn't even show you guys the kitchen. That's one thing for me is really important, especially when you're traveling. You need to be able to cook your own food. Unless you're like really rich and have this whole for money, then big up yourself. But for myself, I can't. So we will be having lunch places and stuff, but then of course we have to cook our own meals.
We have Wi-Fi here? So we just, how do we log on?
We have TV first, and we have a kitchen. We have a kitchen. Pretty decent kitchen, kettle, and of course the kitchen. Again, we're all looking outside. Nice mosquito meshes, or I think that's insect mesh. So for me now though, I have to get back out to the car and try finish unpacking what I have in there. Cause we're so excited we leave the car open. Crazy. And I'm back inside, guys. Now the next thing I want to do is to test out the bed. Like, is this bed comfortable or is it not? Let's see. It's pretty comfortable. Oh my gosh, guys, you don't even understand how I feel. You know, just traveling my own island. I've always been seeing people coming to Jamaica and enjoying everything, and I'm just there just looking at it like, yo, and complaining all the time and saying that, you know, it's the worst place ever, when in fact every country has its problems. But here there's a lot of beauty, there's a lot of beautiful people and very welcoming people. Like, we just met with Mr. Brown and he was just very hospitable with us and just very chill. So yeah, I think we're gonna relax a little bit more and then get something to eat. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna show you my mom and my sister's room. Quite comfy, nothing over the top. And to the bathroom, toilet of course, and inside here, shower, yeah, I'm good. And I have a nice view outside in the garden as well. Ladies, how you guys feeling?
everything out of the in place, so we'll get it in the morning.
That's what you call economizing. Don't forget to carry your curry. Carry your curry. Oh, that cinnamon or curry, not the cinnamon. Oh, cinnamon, sorry. Yeah. Don't forget to bring those stuff. Your water, your milk, all them something there. Of course.
I was saying to Mom that it's still like had a golden style, but it's still very modern.
Yeah, it still feels like home. Oh, what's the Wi-Fi password?
No. But it's perfect. I'm not sure if it's working.
Of course, guys, we have to get our Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is important. Even though I put on data on my phone, I don't normally do that because data is so expensive every month. But yeah, as I was saying, you know, data is a little bit expensive. You know, keep it real. For example, if you know you're going to work and your workplace have Wi-Fi, at home have Wi-Fi, like, why you really need data? Like, I never really get it, like, why you always need data on your phone sometimes. Some persons pay for the whole monthly plan and it's really expensive. What I do, I will pay for like the 2-day plan. If I'm gonna be like at a party or on the road and I really need it, then that's what I do. Yo, you have to save. Wherever you can save, you try to save, isn't it? Yo guys, I wish you guys were really here with me, you know. Seriously. Not so much, I don't know, but yeah, maybe 1 or 2 persons. It's really nice. Yo, I just really feel like we can't even explain to, and I just feel really relaxed. Just looking up on this view and just being out here. You know, it's completely different than just, you know, being in like the city where there's whole heap of noise and all that stuff. I really enjoy it. But anyhow, we are about to, I think I showed you guys enough of the place. We're about to go to get some lunch. I don't think we're going anywhere fancy or anything like that. Go somewhere basic, we'll have nice food. Our host told us about this restaurant or something like that, so we'll go check that out. And then of course, me I'll take one. It's us. Come on guys.